In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use v.io for free in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking for a quick guide, this tutorial will walk you through the basics of using v.io's free features to create and export your own video project. First, you'll want to head over to v.io in your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for creating any project. Next, look for the button that says Create New Project. Click on that to get started with your video editing journey. The platform will prompt you to upload your video, so go ahead and click the Upload Video button. Browse through your files and select the video clip you want to work on. Give it a moment to upload. This may take a little longer depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once your video is uploaded, it'll appear in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where you can make various edits to your video. Click on the video clip in the timeline to activate the editing panel. This allows you to make adjustments and start crafting your content. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar with several free editing tools. These are your go-tos for adding creativity to your video. To start, if you want to overlay text onto your video, just click on text and choose from the styles provided. Adjust the font, size, and position to fit your vision. If you're keen on adding background music or sound effects, click on audio and upload the file you'd like to include. For making your video accessible or simply providing context, use the subtitles option to add captions to your project. You can type these in manually or use their auto-generate feature for a quicker setup. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to finalize your project. Click the Done button, located prominently on the interface, then navigate to the top right corner and select Export Video. This begins the rendering process, where all your edits are compiled into one final file. Finally, after exporting is complete, a download option will appear. Click on Download to save your edited video directly to your computer. Now, your video is ready to share with friends, family, or to post online. Remember, v.io provides a user-friendly interface that makes video editing accessible to everyone, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with its features. Happy editing!